Siguro, Sir Chinky, while we're eating, quick background lang po on like, kasi ako ang common idea ko sa mga tao na magaling talaga sa pera is, for some reason, ang iniisip ko, lumaki silang privilege.
That they're used to the money.
Oo, kasi iniisip ko yung family nila yung parents nila marunong sa pera, so nagabayan sila growing up. So, ibig sabihin, they come from money. Diba? So, kayo po ba, Sir Chinky, what got you into finance?
Alam mo, one thing I've realized in life is yung sometimes, yung pain mo sa buhay, it will become your gain and other people's gain. Ako lumaki ako sa Tondo. Pero hindi ako lumaki sa farm, ha? Just want to make sure
Okay
lang.
po, okay po.
Hindi naman ganun.
Yung lumaki sa farm, nakulong na eh.
Ay, rightfully so, rightfully
Hindi,
so.
nung lumaki ako sa Tondo, na 12 years old ako noon nalugi negosyo ng father ko. Doon ako naka-experience ng talagang financial challenges. At mahirap maging mahirap. Ibang treatment sa'yo ng tao, ng kamag-anak mo pag wala kang pera.
So, Sir Chinky, parang nanggaling po kayo sa like stable, like good income yung household
hindi
niyo.
naman.
Tapos,
Hindi naman kasi nag-start din from wala eh. I can still remember 500 pesos lang yung upa ng bahay. Isang electric fan, from one electric fan to one TV, from one TV to one aircon. Yun nga, nanggaling talaga from wala. Pero nagkaroon, bata pa ako noon eh. Wala ka kamuwang-muwang eh. Nung namulat na ako sa katotohanan sa buhay, doon pa kami nawalan. So, 12 years old ako noon. So, papasok school, walang Kami nga nagpauso ng OMAD.
out of walang choice.
Oo, walang choice. Yung 1 meal a day ka. Oo, ganun. 2 hours ka naglalakad minsan dahil wala ka pa masahe. Ganun.
Opo.
So, challenge talaga.
So, meron po bang single moment in your life na masasabi niyo po that led you to pursuing financial literacy?
Yan, yung nag-trigger talaga sa akin to really do something about it is yung pagka sa party. Kasi yung parang yung mga may kaya silang unang kakain. Yung mga wala huli kayong kakain.
Kaya pa maghugas.
Parang nakaka-relate ka. Hindi,
Alam ko yun eh.
yun yung So parang I felt there was inequality. Baka mag-anak naman, di ba? Dapat you should be treated the same.
Okay po.
So because of those, parang namulat ako na mahirap pala maging mahirap. So I started my sales career when I was age 12. And nung nagbenta ako, first binenta ko toilet paper. Meron naman ako second realization. People you expect to buy will never buy from you. People you expect to support you will never support you.
Yes.
That is true.
And then yung people you least expect to buy and support are the ones buying and supporting you. Yun. So to cut the long story short, from toilet paper, I sold pants, shoes, shirt. I hit my first million in my 20s. Yun. Pero huwag kayo pumalakpak. There was a price to pay. The price to pay, yun nga, I earned good money at a very young age. I never finished my formal degree. Kaya nga, medyo disadvantage yan. Pero, I can be proud naman nung nag-grade 6 ako. Ako naman ang pinakamatalino. Ako yung pinakauna at huling summa cum laude sa campus. Oh, alam mo bakit?
Bakit po?
Kasi 4 times ako nag-grade 6.
Sumasampung taon.
Sumasampung taon sa elementarya. Yun.